Hi, it's Chav Weather here with a video looking at floods hitting the state of Santa Catarina in Brazil on May the 5th, 2022. Heavy rains caused flash floods throughout the state as rivers burst their banks, flooding low-lying areas. Thousands of residents have been forced to leave their homes following the floods as houses filled with water, destroying possessions.
Casa aqui em Itapema, ó, aproveitando o tempo de chuva, começou agora a largar esgoto, ó. Realmente essa casa aqui ou aquela ali.
Roads filled with water making travel impossible. In rural areas, landslides blocked roads and caused further damage to buildings and vehicles. The areas impacted include Tubarão, Forquilinha, São Ludgero and Araranguá. Warnings remain in place for the coming days.